से कहा है सेñorita, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेñorita। नेहा नेहा अनिरुद्ध का है। नेहा अनिरुद्ध आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे। अनिरुद्ध 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 नेहा नेहा अनिरुद्ध अनिरुद्ध आओ भाई।
When I first heard about it, I asked one question to my son that, is this serious? Like, will it end up to marriage? Because he wanted him to see him married. Like, he's already now about 30. So, that was the thing. And when we saw Neha, we knew that they are very fortunate to have a girl like her.
I know really he is my own daughter.
Even though he's like 6 years elder to me, we have like a long, sometimes it's like when you're like 2 years elder to people, to the siblings, they vibe a lot. But even though we have a gap of like 6 years, we still do have he is an introvert, I'm like near to extrovert, but still we have our moments. We had a lovely childhood. He used to ask me to play cricket with him. The only reason that I know cricket is because of my brother. I used to love playing cricket with my brother. So that's like a very special moment. They like each other. She told me first only that I like him. I get positive vibes from him. So I said, okay, I don't mind, go ahead. And so we approached the parents. One fine day, we said that Anirudh, now it's high time. Now you all should get married. Actually, he said, no, auntie, I will take one more year. I said, nothing doing, this will go on. Career aside. But career will go on. See, 6 months you are here, 6 months you are there. So now since you have come, I feel being a mother, naturally a mother has that, and a father is not there to fulfill my duties. And I retired, so I was a little more concerned that no things should go right on time. She's a boy, and Anirudh is calmer. Composed and calm person.
ठीक है देखेंगे पर
So the marriage is good.
यहाँ को सब फट चाहिए। चलो अभी आया ना दिमाग में, चलो कर वो पहले सोचेंगे थोड़ा अच्छा जोड़ी मीन्स दोनों का नहीं क्या मिल जाएगा एकदम एक जन थोड़ा सा ना
तो कपल में वो होना ही चाहिए, एक जो है फटाफट, तो दूसरा थोड़ा शांत होना चाहिए. Yeah, oh my god. Oh, she is way down to earth. She is so humble. She is so caring. She would not think twice to go and help out anybody, like anybody. She would come to you first if you are in distress or anything. She would come to you, hold you, take care of you. That's her special. She's like very special.
We used to travel to Pune every weekend. Not every weekend, but yeah, once in a month or something like this. And yeah, she once we were planning to go to some place just to hang out, chill, whatever. And she also came along, and yeah, we met, and yeah, the rest is now we are here sitting here. So
I think we clicked in our first meeting. What do you think?
clicked in our first meeting.
Yeah, we clicked in the first meeting.
चलेगा सुबह. I don't think I'm sleeping. Are you?
What?
Are you gonna sleep?
Say we can do it our way, and if love's just a game, come and play.
कोई तो रिएक्ट कर दो. अच्छा लगा. ओके. तो बेसिकली ये मेरे सारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स के हैंड प्रिंट्स है. एंड मैं वो ट्रेडिशनल फूलों की चादर नहीं रख रही हूँ, मैं ये प्रिजर्व करना चाहती हूँ. सो आई एम गेटिंग एवरीवन्स हैंड प्रिंट्स, और ये हम ऐसे लगाएंगे उस पर जिसके नीचे मैं चलूँगी, चादर के नीचे.
Just like सबकी basic blessings after.
Yes, yes, yes.
Neha's childhood as a girl, from beginning she was very brave. And the day when she lost her father and the people had come for condolences, she said, Mama, nothing to cry. What has gone is gone. Anyway, you are a strong lady. You will do it. We know that. And she held my hand, she took me inside. Her exams were there. She said, Mama, you have been teaching me all throughout your life. And today is the day that 12th standard exams are there and you cannot do it. And she worked hard and she topped there also.
Initially it was a little challenging, like me and my brother, like my mom was struggling at that pace to raise us, but thankfully all my relatives, like my Tauji, my mama, everyone, all my uncles, my aunties are very, very supportive. So we had to fill that gap. So eventually they were the ones that, made us feel complete. Today, even now, if you see them, it feels like one big family who is there for each other. Obviously, we have our own problems. Every family has their own problems. But if one person is in a problem, everybody will rush. At that moment, they will just leave their job and they will be there for you. That's what makes, that's what helped me and my brother and my mom, in fact, to get through that phase. I could not see my mom that way, okay? So, and everyone for that matter. So, I had to be that person who had to get everyone together. And yeah, my uncles were always there. So, I knew that everyone else is there. So, that also pushed me and gave me that courage that we can do this. Yeah. And today I'm here, it's only because of my family, my mom especially, my brother. I mean, we just, help each other, bro.
If your dad could be around, what this day would meant for him.
Yeah, it would have been more beautiful. Oh my god.
Though the emptiness of the husband is there, but they have filled my life with joy. When they are there around me, I don't have to fear. I don't have to fear at all.
one cute memory. So the first time we went, I mean, just both of us went on like a proper date was this cafe behind the Rasta Cafe. So this place is really special to me, and yeah, to us.
So first time we met.
This is the first, yeah, the first time properly. I mean, when we decided to date each other, this cafe was the first place we came to. Yeah.
And then yeah, I've been hearing this venue ka bahut pehle se, and then eventually
they're getting added here. I mean, life has plans for you. The universe has plans for you. You just need to trust the universe.
if I want to buy something, shirt और like तो उसको हर शर्ट मेरा भाई को अच्छा ही लगता है, तो ये बोलते हैं यार ये सब अच्छा ही लगता है, तो ऐसा थोड़ी हो। तो मेरे को genuine reaction दो ना, तो then I could.
But I love Viola.
Love. Any answer?
Peace. Something that brings you peace at the end of the day.
जो तुम मेरे हो, ऐसा हो क्यों कि लगता है हासिल सभी है, जो तुम मेरे हो।
I was feeling content कि मतलब सब ठीक है लाइफ में, मतलब वैसा वाला फीलिंग था, ऐसा एकदम ऐसा आई वोंट से कि एकदम एक्साइटेड था, ऐसा नहीं था, एकदम ऐसा था आई वाज एट पीस पर्सन, मतलब ऐसा सुकून बोलता है ना, वैसा सुकून वाली फीलिंग वो बोल सकते हैं।
वाओ, मैं भाग रही थी।
मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से, और तुम हो ही नहीं, तो मैं जीना नहीं चाहूँ दुनिया में, और नजरों में मेरे एक जहाँ है जहाँ तू और मैं अब साथ हैं, और वहाँ कोई नहीं, तू और मैं ही है, और आओगे ऐसे आओगे, तेरी मेरी क्या राहें उजड़ी हैं, और राहों में ही जो तुम आए नहीं, हम तो फिर भी तुम्हें ही चाहेंगे, जो तुम मेरे हो, तो मैं कुछ नहीं मांगू दुनिया से।
चलिया तेरी ओर तेरा चलिया, जोर तेरा होया मैं यार, चलिया इस संसार में। स्टार्टिंग का नहीं आ रहा है।